bought this Captain Marvel necklace, and I just love the way it looks. It has the emblem twice, so the slightly smaller one hangs down, and then the larger one is up here. I like that it kind of connects in 3 places so that it doesn't kind of turn around. This one does kind of turn over sometimes, so you just have to kind of fix it every once in a while, and I'll show you on. This is what it looks like on. And I just love the way it looks, and I love the chains, and it just complements my outfit really nicely. It's great for like any like casual cosplay or something like that.
Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.